Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save slide layout in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides. Now we want to save a slide layout. Firstly, go to the home menu, then click the new slide drop down menu and choose the blank option. We can see here the blank slide. You want to make a slide layout to this slide. Now I am select the layout option and select the comparison slide. Now I am delete some box. Select the box and delete this and make the slide custom and select the first text box and set middle on the page. Now we can see we make a slide layout. Now we want to save the slide layout. Select the layout option and make the size big, and we can see here not available the saving option. Now we want to save the layout. Select this file option and save as, then click browse, then save our file from our file location. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.